This video is a tutorial of the Jetboil cooking system. Prices anywhere from $80 to $160. Designed for boiling water with a canister of isobutane propane, 3.5 ounces, goes for $6 separately. The canister is attached to a burner system. A turning valve is open to release the fuel, and a push-button ignition switch to start the fire. The one I have can boil 2 cups of water in about 2 to 3 minutes. It comes with a stabilizer for the bottom of the fuel canister, the burner, pot stabilizer, cooking cup, measuring bowl, and lid for sipping or straining. Overall weight is 12 ounces plus the 3.5 ounces from the canister, equaling 15.5 ounces. Dimensions are approximately 4.5 by 6.5 inches. I bought this shortly after moving to Alaska, where I noticed everyone had one when we were in the field, for good reasons. It's proven to work in Arctic conditions and came in handy even when the power has gone out. There are additional accessories for French pressing coffee if you want that, and various shapes and sizes of the item. Everything fits inside the cup. I value it so much that I immediately bought a second one prior to going to the field when I misplaced my original one, thinking I had lost it. This is not a paid sponsorship. I only want to share with other adventurers what has made living out of a rucksack easier for me. In this video, I ate a chicken and noodles meal made by Mountain House, which tastes alright, could use some salt. It is good for replacing calories after a good hike. Individual meals are about $10 each and can be bought by the case for about $100 to $120 for 22 meals. The spork is from Snow Peak. It's made of titanium, so it's durable, doesn't rust, is lightweight, and the handle stays pretty cool. It's sold for about $10. That's all for this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you found this information useful, and tell me what other items you have found useful in the field. Please remember to like and subscribe. It has been a pleasure. Thank you, and see you in the next video.